Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a chatbot on Thunkable. First, open Thunkable and start a new project. Drag a text input component onto your screen for users to type their questions. Next, add a button component, which will trigger the chatbot's response. Finally, place a label component where the chatbot's answers will appear. This foundational setup is crucial for user interaction. Now, let's build the chatbot's brain using Thunkable's blocks editor. You'll use if-then-else logic to create conditional responses. For example, if the user types hello, the chatbot can respond with hi there. Map out several common questions and their corresponding answers. Remember to include a default response for any input the chatbot doesn't recognize, keeping the conversation flowing smoothly. To make your chatbot more user-friendly, let's add some enhancements. After a message is sent, use a block to clear the text input field, making it ready for the next question. For longer conversations, ensure the chat display automatically scrolls to the bottom, showing the latest messages. You can also explore integrating external APIs to fetch real-time data, making your chatbot even more powerful. Finally, it's time to test your chatbot thoroughly. Run your app and try out all the questions you've programmed, ensuring the chatbot responds correctly. Pay close attention to any unexpected replies or errors. Ask friends or colleagues to test it too. Fresh perspectives can reveal areas for improvement. Refine your logic based on feedback to create a robust and engaging chatbot experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.